Here's buying some taro to make some dessert. 89 cents a pound. Oh wow, Mom, what are you making right now? Oh, taro dessert?
Yes.
Wow, first time ever. She got some dough here, mixing it with milk. See my mom kneading the dough. Oh, okay, so it looks like the steamed taro is done. Wow. My mom cleaned the whole taro today. Should have gotten video of that. My mom's adding a couple of spoonfuls of sugar. Hurricane sugar. Okay, mom's putting it in the blender. See, that's the taro, that's pretty much mushed. Okay, let's go with blend. Okay, now we're gonna put the filling inside. The taro that's been in the blender and with sugar. 天你丁包. Okay. 你唔使用蛋嘅咩? I thought we would be using some egg or something to wrap it. See, kind of like a bun, like a barbecue pork bun. And here is the one we're trying to imitate. See the taro bun from a professional bakery store? Obviously ours isn't gonna look as pretty, or probably most likely not taste as good as that, but we're trying to make our own version. My mom decided to add one of these cashew nuts in there because the other ones from the bakery, they use a macadamia nut. Unfortunately, we don't have any macadamia nut, so we'll substitute a cashew. Now my mom is putting some egg yellow. These are the organic eggs that from the rooster, from the hen that we are raising. $350 degrees for about over 20-some minutes. Okay, Dad, check it. Oh no, some of it exploded. It smells good though. Okay, so here's what the professional will look like. My dad got hungry already, cut into it. See? That's the macadamia nut in there. Flaky shell. We try to imitate that. Alright, let's try it. Cut it in half.
It's on this loud noise.
She's on the phone.
Yeah.
That's Bible study. We're doing Bible study right now.
It's pretty good. Not too sweet. Actually, a little bit too bland. The skin is decent, but it's the first time trying it. I think we can do better next time.